This is probably your first time seeing this exclusive box here, and this is the 2025 gift box from DJI. What's going on, guys? My name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 drone YouTube channel. And today we're taking a deep dive and exclusive look into this staff only gift box from DJI. I want to start off by saying thank you so much to the drone community that's really embraced my channel and helped it grow. Also a massive thank you to DJI for supporting the channel and sending this one out, this gift box here. I cannot wait to see what's inside. I have no idea yet. I have not seen it, but there might be a few little hints here that's enmeshed into this graphic, and they always do an awesome job with these gift boxes. I've only ever seen one before in the past that I've tested out and unboxed and whatnot, but this one here is the Lucky Foo. They're wishing you a Happy New Year. It's a gift box, 2025, Year of the Snake. This is a staff only exclusive box. Let's have a look on this side, what we've got here. So DJI Vision, this is their kind of vision or mission statement, a technology company that serves to build a better world by continuously promoting human advancement since 2006. And their mission is enrich our lives. Looking on the side now, kind of hard to get in frame, but it says DJI, I love the gold and red, it really pops. Add a fresh look to your home, keep your camera fully charged, write couplets for your family, treat yourself to a red envelope, wishing you a delightful and heartwarming spring festival filled with peace and joy. And then on the back here, it actually shows us what we're gonna get in here. It shows us the quantity and it also tells us what comes in here. So I can't wait to actually have a look. This is just the preview here. And I love, absolutely love the attention to detail they put into these boxes. So you've got this plastic cover that literally just slides off like so. Oh, and it reveals such a bright front. If you actually cover it again, this happened last time that they did it. It's very creative. See how a lot of the stuff disappears? So you have no idea what's up in the corner or anything. Straight when I lift it up, it actually reveals like what's in the box and it tells you what's in here. So really smart stuff they're doing here. This is just with an unboxing experience, which is so cool to see. And then from here, it looks like it just opens up like so. We've got the contents in here. We've got some more information. And then look at that. Whoa, love this. How cool is this? So the first thing I can see is at the top here. So let's have a look at this. We can remove that and pull this out here. Interesting. So let's move this all to the side. And so we get some little like posters by the looks of it. So it says DJI. This says a technology company that serves to build a better world by continuously promoting human advancement. And then DJI again. So we've got more of these here, all sorts of new designs and some really long ones as well. From what I can see, this is part of the Calligraphy set. And these are some like really high quality pieces of paper actually. And this was more of a blank canvas as such. It's got some text, but the middle is obviously quite empty. And then you got these longer, more like banner designed ones that are extremely long and blank as well. So this gives you a chance to combine it with the Calligraphy set by the sounds of things. So part of the Calligraphy set is this beautiful brush here. And it's got that beautiful wooden design to the body of it, and then that's the brush there. So that's part of the set by the looks of it. So you can actually use some of these more like blank canvas like designs here. So obviously this is an example of what it could look like, but you can use something like this that's a little bit more blank, or there's some in there that are completely blank, and that can be your canvas to create something quite unique. But that's a really nice piece there. I don't see any DJI branding on it, which would have been really, really nice to see. But yeah, it doesn't look like there's any DJI branding on it. You can see that's the tip of the brush there. That's that wooden design there. Really beautiful piece, but would have been nice to see some DJI branding on that one. Then we got the red envelopes in here, which is what we got in the previous gift box. And these are beautifully designed. You can see how nice those are. Got some DJI branding on them. Beautiful design on the front. You can see it says enrich our lives. Lucky Foo, Happy New Year. Really like that. I just looked up the meaning of lucky foo, and apparently it's blessing, good fortune, and good luck. And I believe, from what I can see, this is the symbol for lucky foo here. So beautiful sentiment here, and yeah, I wish that for everyone watching this video. The craftsmanship just with this box is actually insane, how much work and effort they put into this. And this now is a power bank that we get. I would love to see some DJI branding on this one, because this is such a nice piece to keep. If it just said DJI here, just subtle, doesn't have to be too full on. On the back, it doesn't really say anything. Again, this could just be a standard power bank. You wouldn't really know any difference, but it does look like a really nice build quality, actually quite a handy one. Power button, you've got the little window here to display the percentage. We've got a USB-C and a USB-A, looks like USB-A 3.0. And then you've got a lightning connection on the side here that's already built in, and on this side a USB-C connection. So handy to have, really, really nice to have. Again, would have loved to have seen, just to, you know, show people that it's such a unique piece. Like, if you didn't know, you wouldn't know. This just looks like a standard power bank. Such a practical thing to have in there, but again, just something etched in here would have been really nice, or printed on there that says DJI, just so you know. Yeah, I'm still definitely going to use that, and it's such a handy piece to have in here. So we've now got something in here which might be part of the calligraphy set. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's all crushed up, but this must be the ink, yeah, for the calligraphy set. Oh, that's so nice. So you've obviously got your brush here, you've got some charcoal looking stuff, which would be the paint, I guess. And so that's quite hard and brittle at the moment, but I'll need to look into how to use that properly. And then you've obviously got all the paper pieces that you can then use for the calligraphy set. That's a nice little piece as well. And then when we look at this guy here, this is the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0. Interesting one to go with, as the Phantom range doesn't seem to be around anymore. Great design, and it's almost how DJI got on the map. That was the initial big hit in the market that really disrupted the market. And the Phantom 4 Pro version 2, I never owned one, but a lot of people loved that and still do love that as a unit. And this is a beautiful piece here. It kind of breaks it all down. So with the phenomenal success of Phantom 1, and they go through like the impact that it had, you got a really nice book here, nice piece, just to highlight almost the origins of DJI. And this looks like it's going to be a building block set that you can finally build into a Phantom 4, which is so cool. Look at all the pieces in there. The attention to detail is absolutely phenomenal here. And when we have a look, wow. So it looks like it's going to be a big design. You've actually got the prop arms there. You got all the building blocks. Oh, that's like a whole project. Look at that. Again, the attention to detail, to be able to release a building block set for their, you know, staple, the Phantom range. Such a nice love letter to people out there who still probably own it, because again, it is a great drone. And here we've got some paperwork. This looks like this is related to the power bank. There's a USB-A to USB-C, nice to have. And then that's the main piece they're obviously trying to push there. Look at that, Phantom 4 Pro version 2. And again, it comes in all individual boxes, or sorry, packets that you can go through. You get the full build book here, which is a thick book. Like, that has taken some time and some love to create that, obviously. That's not just a quick job. That's awesome to see. So that's the book. The book itself is a nice one to keep a hold of. You've obviously got all the building blocks in here that you can go with and build it out. And again, such an awesome job with the box. That is a very, very nice box that they've designed there. Got the calligraphy set, you got the power bank, you got such a nice brush here as well. You obviously get the building blocks that I've spoken about a lot with the Phantom 4 Pro version 2. So this is a lovely set here. I really do appreciate it from DJI. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Love your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for some new content on the channel, and I'll chat to you very soon. Peace.